Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and that you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, what I will be showing you guys is how you can order food or other items through the Wolt delivery app. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am logged in and I am in the mobile app, and I am currently in the Discovery tab. Here you can search pretty much anything. You can see offers, favorite restaurants of people in the city, recommendations, offers, and so on and so forth, both for restaurants and for stores. And that is where you can find some things. However, if you want to actually specify whether you want a restaurant or a store, you have these two tabs at the bottom. And let's say, for example, I want to order food from a restaurant. Just click on that and you'll be taken to a list of restaurants in your area. At the top, you have categories by which you can sort them. You have filters in the top right as well as a map. And that is pretty much it. Here you have the list of restaurants, and let's choose one at random. Let's say McDonald's. You know, whatever you choose, this is a screen you will get with the general rating, working time, delivery estimation, so on and so forth. And in the bottom, you will see the menu. And in this menu, you'll see all these food items. And let's say I want to order this one. When you select it, you will have ingredients which you can use or which you can add to your thing. Let's say click on some random ones, and you can adjust the amount. Let's say order one, then you click add to order. If you're ready to order, click view to order. Here you can adjust the amount again, sometimes even add additional instructions for the actual restaurant, whether you are allergic to something, and so on and so forth. Add some recommendations to your list, and once you're ready, you can go to checkout. Here you have all these options. You can do a no contact delivery and add instructions, and you need to add a payment method. Let's say pay with cash. Then once you're done, just slide to confirm and choose whether you have the exact amount or not. And once you're done, just continue and you'll be in the processing page. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial.